Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Diacino. Starting off on NEO daily chart, we still have a potential double bottom here, which would need a close or a move above and then a retrace this 69.49 level. Then that would trigger blue glut for 74.62, 77.18, 79.75. Now, that is invalid if we trade below 56.66. So if we see a trade below 56.66, remove those levels. They are not in play anymore. You can see here, made a low, ran up to rotation zone. Now making a lower low. RSI so far not making a lower low, so we may get a potential divergence here if we start to rotate up relatively soon. So a very aggressive trader could use our divergence entry strategy on like a 4-hour chart or something if that divergence did set up. The next levels I set down right now, we're trading just above this 57.91, then 56.66, 54.79, and 50.36. Let's check in on that 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. See here, tested rotation zone, started making a higher lows, got above the rotation zone, then went into sideways consolidation. Rotation zone went flat, could not catch on it, rotate up. Now we've collapsed back down, testing rotation zone and moving lower. So the rotation zone is against us on the 4-hour and the 1-hour, the 4-hour and the daily. This is time to be very, very cautious and wait for the high probability reversal setups. Like maybe we could get the divergence, but I would not do anything until we can at least sustain a move above the 4-hour rotation zone. Checking in on NEM. NEM, we did get the first cross, but this turned into a double cross. We finally got the first cross. Big move up, watching for it to catch and rotate back up. Instead of rotating back up, collapsing back down. And just continuing lower. Test the rotation zone, and heading down. If we break through this low, which we're close to doing, then we'll be watching for, I have the reverse Gann box and the normal Gann box on here. Next key levels down, 0.29281, then 0.2826 to 0.285, cluster in there, then major cluster with the 75% retracement coming in about 0.269, 268 to 269. If we break this level right here, this 0.30 level would not be good. That's a 62.5% retracement from the big major up move, which then I'd really be watching for it to key in on this 75% Gann retracement. But that is if we do break below this level. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart, you can see here, ran up straight to the rotation zone, poking just above it, closing in it, then tanking back down. We also had the 50 right there too. If you're wondering if this is a potential double bottom pattern, no, it is not, because the primary targets extend beyond the move that started it, so it is not one we consider. We just use Gann levels if it rotates back up. So on any rally on a daily basis, 0.3397, first level resistance, and then cluster area about 0.3620 area. So that's to watch for. And again, keep in mind, if we do make a lower low in price, we could get a divergence set up on NEM. We'd need to make a slightly lower low, then a turnaround, and the RSI can't drop below this prior low. If we do get that, that could be an aggressive trader's entry, but keep in mind the rotation zone is against you on the 4-hour and the daily, so that is an aggressive trader because we are in bearish mode right now, sitting on our hands waiting for those high probability signals to jump back in. But there's no rush because you're trading against the major trend right now. That's what we have for you on NEO and NEM, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.